welcome to Snack Kitchen. I hope and pray that you are all well and safe. Today I'm coming up with a very simple recipe but very tasty, Satini pom2terre. It's a potato chutney. So I will show you all the ingredients and how I make it. First, let me just tell you to please, a big thank you from me to you for subscribing to my channel. And please don't forget to like, share and subscribe and send all your comments please. And follow me on Instagram at Zinat's Kitchen. Let's get cooking then. Here's my ingredients for today. 1 onion. You can use 2 to 3 red chili, dry red chili. This is just over a pound. It's about 700 gram, I would say. Just over 700 gram of potatoes. I'm making a potato chutney. What I will do is I will peel it, cut it, and then I'm going to boil it in my pressure cooker. And I will get back to you and show you the next step. Here I have already peeled the potatoes and cut. I put it in the pressure cooker. Now I'm going to just boil it. Once it is boiled, I will get back to you. I'll have to mash it and then show you how to do it. Here we are, my lovely people. Potatoes is already boiled. I am going to mash it. And here I have 4 tablespoons of oil. I'm just going to heat it up so I can fry the onion and the dry red chili. I'm just going to mash the potatoes with a fork like that. It's easily mashed. It's all dry, okay? Very simple, just onion and dried chili. Simple and quick recipe. Here we are. The onion is brown enough. Now I will put the potatoes. Leave it maybe less than 5 minutes. At this point you have to taste the salt. I used to love this when I was kids, but still up to now I love it as a spread on the toast, in any sandwich. You can eat it with roti. Take the sandwich to go to work with a bouillon. It's very tasty. I'm just going to taste the salt and then it's done. Anyway, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'll see you in my next video. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. And if you're watching me for the first time, please go and subscribe so you don't miss any of my recipe. There we are, guys. It's all done. Let me just taste it. Just a tiny bit of salt needed, because I did put salt when I boiled it in the pressure cooker. Okay, see you later. Bon appetit.